Let's solve one beautiful math question in the easiest way. Ready? But before we start, try this question in your mind. You got it? Now, what's the easiest method to solve it so that you will never lose here again? We have given 27 divided by 9 into 9 minus 6. Here we are going to use BODMAS rule, that is brackets, operation, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction to solve this. So as per the rule, our first priority in this question is inside the brackets. 9 minus 6 becomes 3. So the entire equation changes as 27 divided by 9 into 3. Then we are going to do division. So 27 divided by 9 becomes 3. Multiplying it with the 3, that is 3 into 3 becomes 9. Therefore, the solution of 27 divided by 9 into 9 minus 6 is 9. If you found this video helpful, hit a like and share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tricky problems like this. Thank you friends, we will meet in a new interesting video.